Bedonia, number 17, De Leon, number 91, Triumaugan, number 5, Pineda, and number 2, Fontanilla. Car looking for their first win. While winning a player, coming off a loss from last week. First possession belongs to Car player. Fontanilla from deep, no good. Rebound, Ibas. Ryan to Taylor. Taylor drives, comes it up to Arabia. Arabia, short stop, uses the window for two. De Leon, mid-range J too strong, rebound, there's a bit Cabral. Ryan takes it out to Taylor, corner tray, short. Rebound by Bedonia, pushes down, number 3. Kamigin. First personal foul. First team foul. Fontanilla to De Leon. De Leon to Bedonia. Bedonia uses the window for sure. Veteran move for Bedonia. Josh Cabral, sorry. To Ryan. Ryan, one shot, no good rebound by Pineda. Pineda off to the races. Fontanilla, bounce pass to De Leon. For 3, no good. Ryan secures the ball. Cabral. To Taylor. Taylor, shot, there's a foul on the floor. Foul is on number 2 from Tamilya. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws for Taylor. First free throw shot for Taylor. Zero out of 2 for Taylor, rebound De Leon. De Leon to Fontanilla. Baseline jumper, money for Fontanilla. Ibas to Taylor. Taylor, one-on-one against Pineda. Traveling violation against by Taylor. Great defense by Pineda. Pineda with the ball. To Fontanilla. De Leon against Cabral. To Sean. Sean, turn around Jay. Hands in his face. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Josh, foul on the floor. Foul is on number 5, Pineda. First personal foul, 17 down. Baseline throw in. Arabia to Josh Cabral. Defense got nothing. Pineda to Fontanilla. Fontanilla for 3, no good, rebound Taylor. Taylor passing intercepted by Fontanilla. De Leon to Bedonia. Bedonia, no good, rebound. Pineda put back, no good, rebound. Steven drives. gets fouled. He's going to the line for two. Foul is on number 12. McIntosh, first personal foul, second rebound. Steven will be awarded 2 free throws for in-car auto care. First free throw for Malcolm, no good. Second free throw still no good for Chumalga. Rebound. McIntosh. Taylor, short step is good. 2-point lead by Ruben Akir. De Leon for 3, no good. Rebound Ryan. Ibas for 3. Money for Ibas. 3-pointer is good for Wild Ibas. 5-point lead by Ruben Akir. Next sub-rep. Fontanilla. Shot overshoots. Rebound Fontanilla. Put back by Fontanilla is good. Ryan to Cabral. Cabral finally Jay running. 5-point lead by Ruben Akir. Fontanilla. Pass to Pineda. De Leon. Pass to Steven. Pineda to De Leon. De Leon. Floater is good for De Leon. Ibas running jumper overshoots with Pineda. Pineda with jumper to De Leon. De Leon jumper, Murray. Back to back jumpers for De Leon. Taylor, wide open from deep, no good. Rebound, Steven. Fontanilla driving baseline. Offensive foul is the ball over referee. Turnover for Fontanilla. Sub-rep. Second personal on Brent. Third team foul on inbound. Steven and Bidonia for Okaya and Fontanilla and Cruz, Magtanong and Okaya Jackson. Taylor, mid-range day, money. Okaya, wide open from deep, no good with Taylor. Taylor, pass intercepted by Pineda. Great hands by Pineda. Pineda, strong right to the basket for 2. Taylor. Shot short, rebound Cruz. De Leon, screen by Magtanong. Long throw is good. Heat check for De Leon. In-car, brings the lead, 14-13. Ryan, holded by 2 in-car on fire. Raya, turn around, Jay, another rebound, and put back by Ryan. No good. Foul on the floor. Foul is number 6, Magtanong. First personal foul, warning for penalty. First free throw is no good for Ryan. Round 2 for Ryan. Offensive rebound ito na kay McIntosh. Once again for a putback. Putback is good for Radio. Great hustle for Radio. Ruben Akir regains the lead. De Leon from deep, in and out. Rebound, tapped by Magtanong. Ibas. First personal foul, third team foul. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Pineda long two, no good. Oh, friendly long basket is good for Pineda. 4 seconds to shoot. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score 16 for Incar Otacare and 15 for Luminacare. Back to the ball game. Second quarter possession belongs to Luminacare. Luminacare down by 1. Taylor to Cabral for Trey. Good rebound and something. Top by Ryan to Taylor. 1 point lead by Luminacare. Fontanilla. Last touch on Luminacare. Possession in turn. Closing the shot clock. Okaya to Cruz. Cruz leaning jumper. Money for Cruz. Ryan with the ball. Ryan baseline Zay. Money. One point lead by Luminacare. Cruz to Okaya. Okaya from deep. Money. 3-pointer is good for Gil Okaya. Ibas to Taylor. Pass intercepted by Bedonia. Fontanilla. Traveling violation committed by Fontanilla. Extra step. Turnover. Missed opportunity for Incar. Ibas to Taylor. Taylor, bothered by Fontanilla. Rebound, Bedonia. Next up, Okaya to Cruz. Cruz to Fontanilla. Floater is good for Fontanilla. 23-19 is the score in favor of Incar. Media for Ibas. Ibas from deep. Uses the window for Trey. The back is open on a Friday night for Ralph Ibas. Bedonia uses the window for 2. Veteran shot from Bedonia. Patented move for Kuya Jun. Ibas, same spot, different result, rebound. Fontanilla. Fontanilla. Pass Pass inside to Magtanong. Magtanong overshoots, rebound Taylor. Cabral against Montanilla, highlighting shoulder is good. Moving at air, Ravens going to sorry, down by one.
Break up!
Okaya from deep, uses the window for three. The back is open on the Friday night in NFDL. Cabral to Taylor, Taylor with answer. Short, rebound Ibas. Put back now good, rebound. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 1, Ibas. Substitution left, second personal foul, first team foul. Magtanong for Steven. Pineda for Okaya. De Leon for Bedonia. Gus for Magtanong. Pineda. Batted by Cabral. In and out for the shot. Rebound Taylor. Taylor throws it out of bounds. Turnover for Logan Appear. Sloppy play for Logan Appear. De Leon, running jumper short, taps by Magtanong. To Pineda, short stop is good for Pineda. 4-point lead by Inca. Ryan up to the races, shot. He gets fouled, he's going to the line for 2. Foul is one on number 6, Magtanong. Second personal foul, first team foul. (24-30) is the score. First free throw is good for Ryan. 30-24 is the score. One out of 2 for Ryan Canadian. 5-point lead by Inca. Pineda. Pass intercepted by Ryan. Ibas, counter steal by Steven. Counter steal by Taylor. What a sequence. Cabral to Ryan. Reverse layup is good. De Leon to Montanilla for 2. Back to 5-point game. Stolen by Pineda for 2. Ryan, 1-2, short, rebound Steven. Montanilla to De Leon. De Leon, corner three. Good, rebound Ryan. Ryan to Cabral. Cabral, strong back to the basket, short, rebound Pineda. Magtanong to Pineda. De Leon. Pineda, back to De Leon, stolen by Ryan. Ibas to Cabral. Cabral to Taylor. Jumper, no good rebound, Ibas. Put back over shoots, rebound Pineda. De Leon with numbers. De Leon for a minute. Kalihigis 9 for Inca. Macintosh to Cabral. Erwin, running jumper, uses the window. Kalihigis 7 for Inca. De Leon to Brent. Montanilla, pass to Magtanong. Too low. Pass. Cabral, almost intercepted. 11 on the shot clock for Inca. De Leon. Shot. He gets fouled, this contact. Foul is on number 0, Cabral. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws will be given to Samuel De Leon. First free throw is good for De Leon. 1 out of 2 for De Leon, rebound Bravia. Ryan with the ball. Ryan, stronger to the basket, but so Ibas uses the window control for Ralph Ibas. The lead is 6 for Incar. Trent, foul from behind. Foul on number 0, Cabral. Second personal foul, third team foul. Baseline throw in for Incar. De Leon, corner tray, too strong, rebound Ibas. Ibas with numbers to Cabral. Cabral, behind the back pass. Ibas overshoots, rebound McDonald. Unlucky, so remiss for Ibas. Montanilla drive. Last touch on Ryan. Possession Incar. Steven will inbound the ball for Incar. For De Leon. De Leon, running jumper in and out on Ryan. Cabral, coast to coast for a layup. The ladies cut down the ball. Fontanilla from deep, no good, rebound, Ibas. Shot clock is off. Taylor for three, the lead is cut down to 1. Last 9 seconds. Last touch on De Leon. Last 5 seconds. Josh with the ball. Josh for the big. Giving the buzzer on through. Basket is good for Josh Cabral. Official score 38 for Lumina Care and 37 for Incar Auto Care. Third back to the ball game. Lumina Care after a second quarter surge. Had a 1-point lead beginning into the third quarter. Fontanilla to Kaya. Pineda, long two. No good, rebound and second Taylor. Taylor to Cabral. Cabral, coast to coast, no good, rebound. Cruz faces the lead. 17 on the shot clock. 17 seconds to shoot. 17. Taylor, turn around Jay. No good. Cruz with the ball. Fontanilla to Pineda. Pineda for a layup. Incar regains the lead. Ibas to McIntosh. McIntosh to Ryan. Ryan driving baseline, foul on the floor. Blocking foul on number 2. Fontanilla, third personal foul. First team foul. Baseline throw-in for Lumina Kaya, sorry. What a pass by Arabia to the Steven Taylor, but the defense is sleeping. Turnover, stolen by the back. Taylor with the shot, time out. Inkar on again. Inkar calls for the ceasefire. 8 minutes and 19 seconds remaining. What a rally by Lumina Care, playing underman. But the fight is on. Okay, back to the ball game. Lumina Care up by 3. Pass deflected. Possession remains. Sloppy play again for Inkar. Inkar piling up the turnovers. Pineda from them to the basket. No good. Ruben Taylor. Taylor to Cabral. Cabral shot no good. He gets fouled by Cruz. Number 18, Cruz. First personal foul, second team foul. Cabral will shoot 2 free throws. First free throw is good for Cabral. Cabral, 1 of the 2, rebound and submit. Ryan, great hands by Kamiki. Ryan loses the handle, turns the ball over. The lead is 4 for Lumina Care. Pass again, deflected. Sloppy play by Inkar. De Leon. De Leon to Cruz. Cruz to Pineda. Pass to Fontanilla. 6 from the shot clock. Fontanilla from deep. Bang! 3-pointer is good for Brad Fontanilla. Radius cut down to 1. Taylor will answer. Short. Rebound De Leon. De Leon to Pineda. Denied by Taylor from behind. Great hands by Taylor. Sub. Cruz for Bidonia. Baseline throw in for Inkar. 37 Fontanilla. De Leon forces his shot. He gets fouled. This is going to the line for 2. Foul is on number 0. Josh Cabral, 3rd personal foul, first team foul. Chance for end 1 for De Leon and Inkar Auto Care. Bonus free throw is not good. Rebound is up in Bidonia. Put up by Bidonia is good. Right place at the right time. Stolen by Pineda. Rebound by Taylor. Blocked by Ryan Triggy. It's now a 3-point lead by Inkar Auto Care. Taylor, driving baseline, strip from behind by Bidonia. Great hands by Pineda for a layup. 5-point lead now for Incar Otacare. Cabral to Ibas from deep. Overshoots Bidonya with the ball. To Fontanilla with numbers. Fontanilla fakes. Shot put back by De Leon is there. 7-point lead by Incar. Right place at the right time. De Leon for a putback. Ryan pass to Ibas is not looking. Pineda to Fontanilla fakes and scores. 52-43 in favor of Incar. Taylor foul on the floor. Foul is on number 5, Pineda. Second personal foul, third team foul. Sabrep sub. Okaya for Pineda. Rabia, one shot, no good. Rebound to Leon. Incar up by 9. Okaya from deep. Mane! Okaya! Blooming dribble for June Okaya. 12-point lead by Incar. Taylor dumps it up to Ibas. Uses the angle for 2. What a pass by Taylor to Ibas. 10-point game in favor of Incar. De Leon, elbow J, short. Stopped by Ibas to Kamigi. Cabral, short stand, no good. Rebound from Tanilla. Bidonya from De Leon. De Leon from that to the basket for 2. A minute and 39 in the third quarter. Foul, hands foul is on number 17. De Leon, first personal foul, warning for penalty. Cabral to Ryan. Screen by Rabia. Ryan with the Euro, he gets fouled. He's going to the line for 2. Number 6. Magtanong, third personal foul, penalty. 2 free throws for Ryan Kamigi. First free throw is no good for Ryan. Last 57 seconds. Zero out of 2 for Ryan. Rebound. De Leon. De Leon to Okaya. Okaya driving baseline to Fontanilla. To De Leon, moves closer. De Leon to Bidonya. Jumper, no good. Rebound Taylor. Taylor, fearless drive. He gets fouled by Bidonya. He scored. He's going to the line for N1. Foul on Bidonya. First personal foul. Penalty. Shot clock is off. Chance for N1 for Taylor. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score 48 for Lumina Care and 57 for Incar Care. this is the last and final quarter. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Luminacare. Taylor, straight from behind the Pineda. Jump ball possession in Garoto Care. Incar up by 9. Fontanilla, long two. Money for Fontanilla. Rabia driving baseline, short stop short. Rebound ends up with Ibas to Cabral. Cabral, traveling violation committed by Cabral, extra step. Montanilla, 3-pointer short, rebound Cabral. Ryan drive short, rebound and separate. Last touch on Ibas. Possession Incar. De Leon, jumper, money for De Leon. Taylor, reverse layup is good. Ulong pass na magtanong for two. 63-50 is the score in favor of Incar. Taylor, step back three, too strong. Fontanilla secures the ball. De Leon from deep. Rebound Rabia. Ibas, jumper, too strong, rebound, Magtanong. De Leon to Fontanilla, half 2-point is good for Brent Fontanilla. 15-point lead for Incar. Cabral, left wide open, no good. Rebound Rabia. Rabia to Taylor, top of the keg Ray. Too strong, rebound Cabral. Cabral to Ryan. Ryan from deep. Too strong, rebound De Leon. De Leon to Fontanilla on a low overshoot, rebound Taylor. Taylor to Cabral. Cabral challenged by Magtanong. He scores. Defense is not of his face. Cabral scores by River. De Leon, elbow jumper. He gets fouled. He's going to the line for two. Foul is on number 0, Cabral. Fourth personal foul, first team foul. Chance for end-one for De Leon. 67-52 is the score. Bonus free throw is good for De Leon. Ryan strong to the basket. He gets fouled by Magtanong. Magtanong. Fourth personal foul, first team foul. Sabret. Magtanong for Bidonia. Fontanilla for Okayan. Cruz for Stevens. 2 free throws will be awarded to Ryan Caniging. First free throws no good for Ryan. Chill out to Joko Ryan, rebound, Jerino. Okaya, left wide open. No good, rebound. Ryan. Ryan Dorelia. Pass deflected by Steven. De Leon to Pineda for two. The lead is 18. Taylor from deep. Too strong, rebound De Leon. De Leon from deep. Too strong. Rebound Pineda. Pineda for a putback. He was denied. Putback is good for Pineda. It's now a 20-point lead. Foul on the floor. Foul on number 27, Okaya. First personal foul, second team foul. 4 minutes and 11 in the last quarter. The lead is 20 for Incar. Heredia drives, so good, rebound De Leon. De Leon to Okaya. Touch pass to Bidonia. Bidonia running jumper, no good. Rebound Okaya. Pass deflected, stolen by Kamigi. Great hands by Kamigi. Kamigi drives in. Traveling violation committed by Ryan. Extra step. Great defense by Steven. Point lead by Incar. Okaya turns the ball over. Stolen by Cabral. Cabral challenges the defense of Okaya. He gets fouled. He's going to the line for two. Foul is on number 27. Okaya, second personal foul, third team foul. We're approaching the last 3 minutes of the fourth quarter. Sub. Free throw is good for Cabral. Okaya for Fontanilla. Steven for Cruz. Ref, there's six players on Incar. Technical foul on Incar. There's 6 players on the floor. 6 players on the floor from Incar, so technical free throw will be given to Lumi Nakeo.
Technical, one shot only, one shot.
2 minutes and 55 remaining. Technical free throw will be given to Lumi Nakeo. Technical free throw is no good.
Hey, we gotta run, lost 3 minutes, run. Can do it.
2 minutes and 55 in the last quarter. Taylor from deep, in and out, rebound, Ibas. Ibas put back now with rebound, Pineda. Pineda to De Leon, left the layup is good. Foul on the floor, foul on Bidonia, penalty rep. Penalty, rep penalty. 2 free throws will be awarded to Lumi Nakeo. 2 minutes and 41. Ibas at the free throw line for 2. First free throw is no good, wide right. Second one for Ibas, no good. Lane violation, possession in call. Bidonia with the ball. Pineda. Fontanilla against McIntosh. Fontanilla drives, overshoots, rebound Taylor. Taylor transition 3. Hits the brace of the backboard, so possession, turnover, possession in foul. Pineda breaks away from the up. No good rebound Taylor. To Cabral. Cabral wide open three. Bang! Last 2 minutes. We approach the last 2 minutes of the quarter. Turnover stolen by Ryan. Cabral, same spot. Different result. Rebound. McIntosh for the putback. The lead is 14. For Incar. Fontanilla. Spins. Drop it up to the Leon for a 2. A minute and 37 left. Ryan, hesitation move. Lefty layup is good for Ryan. Bidonia to De Leon. De Leon to Cruz. Cruz wisely milking the clock for Incar. De Leon, turnover, stolen by Ryan. Cabral, coast to coast, layup is good for Cabral. The lead is strong. De Leon, scoop layup is good. Turnover, stolen by Fontanilla. Fontanilla for 3, no good. Tapped by Ryan to Rabia. Rabia pass to Cabral. Cabral saves it to the wrong guy. Last 50 seconds. The lead is 14. De Leon to Cruz. Cruz for 3. Short rebound Rabia. Pass to Cabral. Coast to coast for a layup. 33 seconds left. De Leon, one shot. Pass to Cruz. Cruz to Bidonia. Bidonia fakes. Shot, no good, rebound. Rabia. Taylor from deep. Yes, sir. Shot clock is off. Foul is on number 10. Taylor. First personal foul, second team foul. Shot clock is off. Last 12 seconds. Looks like Incar will bag their first win of the season. Cruz, hesitation move. Drops it up to Bidonia for 2. Intercepted by Pineda. Counter steal by Ibas. Taylor running jumper is good. Official score 80 for Incar Autocare and 71 for Luminacare. Incar prevails, winning their first game of the season. Good game, guys. Spirit of sportsmanship shown by both teams. Thank you to our referees, our spectators, our crews, and to all of our